Financial freedom in 10 years. The aggressive plan, the honest warning first. A 10-year plan is possible, but it requires sacrifice, discipline, and higher risk tolerance than the slow path. There are no shortcuts, only smarter, faster moves. Ready? Let's go. The 3-part formula. Earn more plus spend less plus invest aggressively equals freedom in 10 years. That's it. Part 1. Attack your income. In 10 years, your savings rate needs to be 40 to 50% of your income. That's only possible if you earn more than you do today. Identify a high-demand skill like writing, coding, or sales. Offer freelance services on the side. Even $500 extra a month changes everything. Ask for a raise or pursue a better-paying job. Your experience is worth more than you think. Treat your income like a project. Review it every 6 months. Always push it higher. Part 2. Cut expenses like you mean it. You don't need to live like a monk, but you do need to cut everything that doesn't move you toward freedom. No lifestyle upgrades for the next 3 years. Cancel subscriptions you barely use. Cook more. Eat out less. Drive the car you have, not the one you want. Ask yourself before every purchase, does this get me closer to freedom or further away? Part 3. Invest aggressively but smart. This is where your money grows. 70% index funds like the S&P 500 ETF. Set it up once. Add money every month automatically. Don't touch it. 20% real estate or REITs if buying property is too complex. Invest in REITs. They pay dividends and they grow. 10% higher risk, higher reward. Individual growth stocks or crypto, but only money you can afford to lose. The magic number check-in. Remember the 4% rule. Your annual expenses times 25 equals your freedom number. If you spend $3,000 a month, you need $900,000 invested. With $2,000 invested monthly, you reach $385,000 in 10 years. Not full freedom, but close enough to cut your working hours. Want to hit $900,000? You need to invest $4,500 a month. Your 10-year roadmap: year 1 to 2, kill debt, build an emergency fund. Year 3 to 5, max out investments and grow income. Year 6 to 8, reinvest returns and stay consistent. Year 9 to 10, evaluate your freedom number. The one rule that wins everything: automate your investments on payday. Before you spend a single dollar, set up an automatic transfer. You will never miss money you never saw. This one habit, for 10 years, builds more wealth than any stock tip ever will. It's harder, but it's real. How badly do you want it?